Now, this is the reason bakit itong syncretism is the reason why many Catholics fall into demonic attacks and why we fall into so many kinds of problems. And I will discuss what do you mean by syncretism. It is the combination of paganism and our Catholic faith. Now, inculturation is very important for the Filipino. It is important in evangelization. We should inculturate our values to our faith. But the challenge is that we must be very careful in inculturation. Because we may inculturate elements of worship. The worship that our ancestors did towards the pagan gods who were demons. Kapag nahalo yan sa inyong pananampalataya, we call that syncretism. There will be contamination with evil spirits. It will either affect the integrity of our faith or impair the proper functioning of our faith life. Oops, sorry. That's why sabi ni Blessed Pope John Paul II, Saint Paul John Paul II, those who are in the name of inculturation can run into syncretism. There is therefore a need for constant vigilance against all possible forms of syncretism because syncretism is harmful. Because syncretism is harmful. Sabi ni Pope Benedict XVI, Pope Emeritus, interreligious dialogue, when badly understood, leads to muddled thinking or to syncretism. That's why we have to be very, very careful when we inculturate. Ito, very clear. Pope Emeritus Benedict, sabi niya, we have to have a correct integration of the authentic values of cultures into our faith.